blustery. I'm gonna turn you around. This is Jack's Lake. We parked there. I'm pulling this thing. I also have some wine, red wine, to keep me warm. That's where we're going, to our friends there. Erica's in the yellow. OMG, I didn't expect this. I'm losing 150 pounds as we speak. All right, I'll check in again. First time ice fishing. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll have beginner's luck. Jack Lake, Apsley, Ontario. Winter fun. Family day weekend. That would not have been very good. wonder if I will a fish to bite my hook. If that'll make it happen. Probably not. Somebody got a fish. I think somebody got a fish. I heard a shout. Maybe not. I don't know. All right, I'm going to put the phone away so it doesn't die. And I will be back. There's my peeps. Okay, I'll check in later. All right, I'm back at the truck, charging my phone and warming up just a little bit. And I had a pee break too, which is a whole big adventure when you're bundled up in all these winter layers and there's no bathrooms around. You have to find a place. So that's what I did. But I had a pee beside the truck right there on the side of the road. Oh well. Anyway, and I'm getting warm. And then I'm going to go back out. Once my phone is charged, I'll get back out there and see if I can catch some fish. One fish would be nice. Just one fish would be really nice. Anyway, it's lots of fun, even though it's cold. It's very blustery. Oh, and the skidoos are going by. It's very blustery out on the lake. Very, 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 very windy. And yeah, and we don't have the shelter up because for some reason it doesn't work. Anyway, looks like I have quite the red nose. Alrighty then, I'll see you later. To keep myself entertained while trying to warm up, what else was there to do but make faces and take selfies? My expired minnows, Fred, Ed, and Jed. Still out here. I don't know how many hours it's been. We have one fish between the four of us, and I did not catch it. It's a little crappy. I don't mean it's crappy. I mean the fish is a little crappy. Anywho, I'm going to turn this off and turn it around. Still at it. Those are some of the guys that didn't survive. There's one in the hole too. It's Fred and Ed and Jed. They didn't survive, so they are now moral support. It's not working. So we'll get a nice view of beautiful Jack's Lake. Lots of people have bailed already, but we're still here. Still going strong. Although it seems the fish are winning this one. So our day ended with only 2 fish being caught. They were both caught by the same guy, and they were both crappie. The rest of us did not have any luck. So I'm going to end this with just a few still shots of the guys on the lake and then the sunset as we walked out. Thanks for watching, everyone.